Hi, today I'm going to be demonstrating how to cook the iconic dish of pasta. Pasta, while so simple to prepare, comes in so many different variations because of the different types of noodles, sauce, toppings, and more. These different combinations can all be cooked similarly. The ingredients you should have are 1 serving of dried store-bought noodles of whatever shape you want, spaghetti sauce of some sort, meatballs, water, and a few pots and pans. Frozen meatballs should be defrosted before cooking. First, to begin cooking the noodles, pour about a gallon of water into a pot and place the pot on a stove to boil the water. This boiling time may depend on the stove heat, but would generally take 3 to 4 minutes. After the water boils, keep the stove on and throw in a pinch of salt. Add the dry noodles into the boiling water and keep them in there for about 10 minutes. Make sure to check up on the noodles and swirl them around every couple of minutes to prevent them from sticking on the bottom. Meanwhile, the spaghetti sauce can be cooked in a pan. First, coat the pan with some oil to prevent sticking. Then add into the pot the spaghetti sauce and the defrosted meatballs. The amount of meatballs and sauce is up to the consumer's need and preference. This mixture in the pan should be left on the stove on medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes, or however long it takes for the meatballs to fully cook. The meatballs should be fully cooked once they expand and lose their wrinkles. After both the sauce and the noodles have finished cooking, it's time to mix them together. The noodles should be drained of excess water first. The drained noodles and cooked sauce should be mixed together in either a large bowl or pan, or the noodles can be placed on a plate with the sauce poured over it for aesthetics, or if the consumer wants to mix the pasta him or herself. For this video, I'll just be mixing them together in the pan. The cooking times and ingredients can be experimented with to suit personal preference, but the general procedures of cooking pasta are similar and without a doubt one of the simplest of all dishes. Given the proper ingredients and procedures, an entire meal can be made within 15 minutes. Now watch me eat the pasta.